Morning routine. A morning routine is a set of actions that you do before the start of the day after you wake up. Morning routine helps to set up your day in the right tone. In order to build up the morning routine, it takes at least 21 days to form a new habit. However, it takes months to a year for the habits to be automated. Benefit of morning routine. Build a good habit. Build positive energy. Enhance positive emotion. Prepare for the day positively. Enhance your confidence. The followings are the 4 steps for the morning routine. Step 1. Gratitude. Gratitude is thankful gratitude for what an individual receives. With gratitude, people recognize the goodness in their lives. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, enjoy good experiences, enhance their physical, emotional and mental well-beings, cope better with challenges, and develop strong connections with others. When you wake up and open your eyes, say Thanksgiving to yourself. For example, I'm thank you for myself that I can see, hear, smell, taste, move, think, breathe and so on. I'm thank you to my family members, friends, trainers, teachers, anyone for respecting, supporting, caring, guiding, teaching, sharing with me. Some people will pray to God to express their thanksgiving to God, and others, they find strength and comfort through prayer. Breathing exercise. Breathing exercises can help you relax, because they make your body feel like it does when you are already relaxed. Breathing exercise can lower stress in the body and relax your mind. Focus on breathing for 5 to 10 minutes. I shall guide you on how to do it. Your mind will wander away. Gently tell yourself that I notice my mind is wandering. And I gently bring it back to refocus on breathing. It helps you to refocus, recharge, and relieve your stress. Sit in relaxed position. Free yourself from distraction. Off the sound of hand phone, TV, etc. Give yourself quiet moment to relax and practice breathing exercise. Gently close your eyes. Breathe in, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, count 1, 2, 3, 4. When you are ready, you can gently open your eyes and come back to your room. How is it like after practice the breathing exercise? You can record your thoughts and experience. Write it down in your journal. You can also draw to express your experience. It is a mindfulness practice. It helps you to pay attention to the present moment. Let go of the past regret and worry about the future. Step 3. Intent of day. A morning intention is the practice of saying or envisioning your goals and purposes for the day. Set your intention of the day. It is like a vehicle drives towards destination. Establishing and living your intentions lets you to focus on who you are now, to acknowledge and live your values, purposes of life. The followings are the examples of intent. I intend to pay attention to my inner feeling. I intend to do my best and learn from my experience. I intend to be peace and calm throughout the day. I intend to love and forgive myself and others. I intend to accept myself unconditionally. I suggest you to write your intent that suits you. Step 4. Positive affirmation. Positive affirmations are the positive statements that you talk to yourself consciously and subconsciously. It can help you to reframe the negative thoughts and overcome stressors effectively. It can enhance your self-worth and confidence and counter stress and self-doubts. You can start with 1 to 3 minutes for 21 days to be effective. Try saying affirmations after waking up and before going to sleep daily. For example, I am safe and well. I am lovable and useful. I am resilient and manage my stress well. I am grateful for my everyday experience. I breathe in strengths that help me to cope with my life effectively. Gratitude, breathing exercises, intent of the day and positive affirmation are the 4 essential steps for a morning routine that brings you to have positive mind, emotions and energy.